we will study another feature of current. One characteristic of current which is generally asked whether electric current, when we measure it, is it a scalar quantity or it is a vector quantity. So in vector quantity there has to be an direction, and we are discussing direction. In a conductor, current will flow in this direction. In the conductor, current will flow in this direction, or current will flow in this direction. And this factor about the current leads us to say that current is a vector quantity because it has direction. But now, finally, we declared current is not a vector quantity. Why? Current is not a vector quantity. So, see first, the current is not a vector quantity. It is a scalar quantity. Why? Example, we have a circuit. There are conductors in this circuit. In this circuit is extension from somewhere here. Charge come from here, current come from here. This is also extension from somewhere. One current is coming from here and one current is coming from here. This way and this way. This current is 5 ampere. This current is again coming in this direction and both current goes here. This current is of 5 ampere and this is 3 ampere, and then both current goes here in this conductor or in this wire. What happened? This we see here current. Find out its direction and value. We find that current flowing in this direction, rightward, and this current is, when we measure value of this current coming from this wire is of 5 ampere. Current coming from this wire is 3 ampere, and then current in this wire is of 8 ampere. 5 plus 3, 8. This is simple addition or algebraic addition, and we are already known algebraic addition followed in scalar quantity. So current is a scalar quantity because 5 plus 3 equal to 8. It is a scalar addition. It follows the rule of scalar addition. So we declare current is a scalar quantity. Nature of current. Current is not a vector quantity. It is a scalar quantity because it follows the rules of scalar addition. Now I introduce you another quantity which is known as current density. What is meant by current density? First, we are already know current is a scalar quantity. Formula of current: I equal to Q upon T. Q is charge flowing in time. The second thing, we declare that current is a scalar quantity. Third thing about electric current is that unit of current is ampere. Unit of current is ampere. I equal to Q upon T, charge flowing in unit time. Nature of current. Current is a scalar quantity. Unit of current. Unit of current is ampere. Dimension of current. Dimension of current is denoted by A, because current is a fundamental quantity. Now, what is meant by 1 ampere current? The answer is, if I has to be 1, I has to be 1 ampere. If I equal to Q upon T, we know, and T equal to 1 second, then I equal to Q. And again, if Q equal to 1 coulomb, then I equal to 1 ampere. So 1 ampere current, when the current flowing in a conductor is such that 1 coulomb charge pass through a cross section every 1 second, then this current is 1 ampere. Now we will see current density. Here is a conductor. This is a conductor. Conductor area of cross section is A. The current flowing here. The current flowing here in this conductor. The total current flowing is I, and the current is due to all the charged particles which are flowing in this. If I divided area I, which is perpendicular to this cross section area, this area divided into very small area. We have another quantity which is current per unit area. We divided area into very small area, unit area. Now we have another quantity, current per unit area. Current per unit area, and symbol of current per unit area is J, small j. How much is calculated? Current divided by area. J equal to I upon A. This J is known as also current density. Why this is known as current density? Why this is known as current density? Density word is used whenever we find a certain quantity for a unit area, for a unit length, or for a unit volume, like mass per unit volume is known as density. Similarly, charge per unit volume is known as volumetric charge density. Charge per unit area is known as area charge density. Charge per unit length is known as linear charge density. Here it is current per unit area. So this is known as also current density. This is the new quantity we have got, current density. What is it? Current flowing per unit area. Unit of current density is ampere per square meter, and nature of this current per unit area or current density, it is a vector quantity. J, current density is a vector quantity multiply with area. J multiply by area, and it gives current. J is a vector quantity multiply with area. Area is also vector quantity, gives us current. current is scalar quantity. Multiplication of two vector quantity and result is scalar quantity. What type of multiplication is this? This is scalar product or dot product. J dot A, vector J dot vector A equal to I. Scalar product or dot product. What is magnitude of this product, this scalar product J cos theta, which is equal to I. So this is also magnitude of current.